I don't want to spend all day writing in my diary and doing 5 by 55s and doing deep meditations that take hours. How about manifesting, super manifesting, powerful manifesting in 4 minutes or less? Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. We're always flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. High flyers, want to remind you to subscribe to our channel. We're here almost every day. And remember to click the bell icon. That way you know when we release a new video. High flyers, have you been to lawofattractionsolutions.com? We have all kinds of resources on this site. I mean, it's amazing me how many resources we have. Did you know you can take a quick quiz to find out how well you're doing with your manifesting? It's available free at lawofattractionsolutions.com. So, high flyers, I believe you have the power to attract love, success, happiness, money, health, vitality, energy, using the power of the law of attraction, the power of vibration. The law of attraction, law of assumption, they're really part of the law of vibration. So think about this. Why do you need to manifest all day long? Why do you need to do these long scripting things? I'm not against them. There's a time for them. But what about just manifesting every day, fast, quick, 4 minutes a day or less, and getting what you want? Isn't that more convenient? Doesn't that make more sense? And what if it was just as powerful? What I'm talking about is turning yourself into a manifesting machine. And you're going to do that after you watch this video. I mean, wouldn't it be nice to get what you really want, what you really desire all day long, not just every now and then, but I mean, all day, every day? Here's the nice thing about this. You only need to put 4 minutes a day into manifest. This is a super hack, high flyers. And I want you to use this and I want you to employ it because it's going to work for you and you're going to get the results that you desire.
Now, I know many of you are saying this is too good to be true, Robert.
Wayne Dyer used to say, when you believe it, then you'll see it. I want you to make a conscious choice right now for the next 7 days to believe in this technique and to use it. I mean, this is all about raising your standards, believing, knowingness that you can manifest what you desire, the little things. I mean, the big things, everything. And you only have to spend 4 minutes or less. So Tony Robbins talks a lot about raising your standard. The Japanese word is kaizen, and it means constant improvement, constantly working on yourself. When you use this technique, you will be improving your manifesting power, your manifesting abilities. I mean, seriously, are you ready to raise your standards as it applies to the law of attraction, as it applies to manifesting in your own life? Here's a quote from Tony. Anytime you sincerely want to make a change, the first thing you must do is to raise your standards. High flyers, if you want to start getting what you desire, you need to raise your standards and become a manifesting machine. Raising your standards means that you now employ absolute expectation that your intentions are manifesting quickly into your life. No more waiting on people ghosting you. No more waiting for a new job offer. No more waiting for success in your career. No more waiting on your twin flame or your soulmate. Hell, no more waiting on getting the parking spot that you want when you drive to the mall. No more waiting. Now, 4 minutes. This manifesting technique is easy to do, and you only have to do it 3 times a day for about 90 seconds, and you don't have to put a watch to it. Okay. If it's like a minute and 10 seconds, that's fine. If it's a minute and 20 seconds, that's okay. If it's 92 seconds, that's fine too. Okay. You don't need a watch to it. Just do it. 90 seconds, 3 times a day. You're going to say the following, and you're going to say it over and over for 90 seconds. 90 seconds in the morning, 90 seconds in the afternoon, 90 seconds in the evening. Doesn't have to be at bedtime, it can be any time in the evening. Morning, noon, evening. Here's what you say. Anytime I see a heart, I am reminded that the universe is showing me evidence that my heart's desire is now being fulfilled. So, anytime, high flyers, that you see a heart, I don't care if it's on a billboard, could be on a truck, could be on the internet, could be on a postcard. I mean, it can be anywhere. Anytime you see a heart, you're going to remind yourself that the universe is now in the process of fulfilling your desire. Now, what this is doing, high flyers, is you're activating your reticular activating system, the part of your brain that what it does is it proves what you believe. Okay, so it's going to find the proof for you. So what's going to happen is you're going to start seeing more hearts. You'll see them everywhere. You didn't see them before, but you'll see them now. That's your RAS, your reticular activating system. And every time you see that heart, it's like sending an explosion into your subconscious mind. And remember, your subconscious mind is the connecting link to your manifesting outcome. It's what takes those thoughts and that vibration and all that stuff and brings it into physical reality. So every time you see a heart, you're going to know that the universe is making your wish come true. So high flyers, when you see the heart, you're reminded that the universe is manifesting, is bringing into physical manifestation, the 3D world, what you desire. But now you're going to give gratitude. Thank you for my new relationship. Thank you for my soulmate. Thank you for my twin flame. Thank you for the new car. Thank you for the new house. Thank you for the dream vacation. Thank you for success in my career. Thank you for renewing my health. Thank you for helping me drop 50 pounds. Whatever it is that's important to you, you're going to give gratitude for it. Now, I'm going to ask you to do me a favor. I don't ask many favors, but I'm asking one now. Mark this video and come back to it and share your results. Other people are going to be empowered by your positive results. Here's another video to help you get what you want.